high school brat. Lose weight over man, look how you did that. And you run the man, you look like crap. No man, no girl, we call him every hour. I track him down like CSI undercover. All our hands on the phone when the man a shower. No be a stalker, be a lover. The man say you too ningy.
This video is rated B. B for bad word. So, if you're a Christian, just click the name of the channel and go watch a play. If you're a mature person who don't really like heap of bad word, this one is not for you. Go watch a play. If you're a family member, go watch a play. If you're my child, go watch a play. Because really and truly, me can't edit out the bad word them out of this one. To be honest, it just gonna take with the sting out of the video. And for the dancehall fans, y'all gonna enjoy this one. The big old cat fight between Lady Saw and Macka Diamond over Sting 2013. Former queen of dancehall, Lady Saw, give it to you know me now chat it. Let's jump into it. Anyways, like the video for now. And if me do a bag of talking in the video and take away the enjoyment out of it, I'm gonna take back on the light. Let's jump into it.
Me and them attack from where you make me away my say no.
Check.
Me away my say no.
I want some dirty girl. Black I want some dirty girl. How are?
Mongrel.
Dirty girl.
Macka mongrel come down. Don't come
Lady
here
Saw,
with
she
the
don't
one
want to
that
be no more. You're bright and stick and hot. Shalom,
You're afraid of the bad cover.
At the end of the night, you are go, Lord, make a right you up like a crash lord. Show who are the boss one. At the dead cheer, everybody in the camera missing the one. She die.
Pussy, I know. Listen, them girl never wait my time, them no work one life. No work one hoop, them no work one work. No work. What me say? They no work my time, she no work one life. How the blood clan mongrel? How are you mongrel?
Rough cut, you know some my things set me want people hear me and say.
Shut up your feet, clan.
No.
But girl, no hard, you no come here to me up. Me no know how to fool you run and talk back. But the one, you can run up me like that.
Do me something, girl.
Say you for DJ pussy.
No.
DJ.
Me say me know why you don't ready, me know.
Can't pretend fuck you for no plate. Ninja man fuck you for no plate. Ibrahim fuck you for no plate. I idiot that
Mama
No.
She talk about money for clash. And she said she rich. I want some dirty girl.
You're rich.
Listen to me,
go. Sell yourself pussy in England. You go to England to make them buy pussy fried up.
One trace. Me wait for you till you're done. A trace a comfy trace in a war. A trace a comfy trace. Jamworld. I got a talk about rich what? Oh, you for rich and you can't pay your tax. Oh, you for rich and the pan black. No. Oh, you for rich and the pan black. I know my fault government action that. Trouble me. No, my time for chat. The East Papa die replace that. The East Papa die replace that.
Yo, turn on my mic. Shut up, my Oma. Taxman never take me Oma. He to them, he need a go out a style plus he just in bed. Anything too old, me not take them, but she not stop fuck on the immigration. She me talk with you alone. Go talk yourself.
No.
Stop out your mouth.
No. Eat that girl. Me not make no forward friend of me.
You have your friend them here, so you pack over.
Yeah, eat that. You have your friend them here. You have a friend of me. Me not afraid of you. Me not afraid of you, eat that girl. Me not afraid of you. You understand? No. Rough cut. The people who want you, me I say no.
I have chat so much, girl. Hey, girl.
Oh, you chat so much.
Chat too much, man.
What for me, sir? What for me, sir?
All right, make sure. So,
listen to me, good. Eat that girl.
Look how that she get with that. Eh? Hey, girl, you chat too much. Hey!
John Lane, girl, sit down on a ball. All line friend them, you sit down on a call. Not a line, not a letter, not a. Think you look big, you a shower. No be a stalker, be a lover. The man say you too ningy.
See my man here, a pussy call him. I'm a man that. Shut your head, girl. Nobody ever there with you yet.
Quick stop, like a gas station. I'm just jumping in the comment section, right quick and fast. First comment say, I know Macka can't find the lyrics. I would have never clashed Lady Saw, right? Macka Diamond brave, but she embarrassed herself. Next person say, Lady Saw was something else, a true man, queen of dancehall. Most persons still agree with that. Big up Queen Spice. I miss Lady Saw respectfully. This is a comment that have me a choke. Senior citizen abuse. Lady Saw, why you do it? Macka Diamond should have stopped doing music this night. Oh my gosh. Next comment. No woman, and when me say no woman in a dancer could walk near Lady Saw, she was in a lane by herself. She still in a lane by herself. A matter of fact, she in a league by herself. What kind of lane? A big street Lady Saw upon highway. I wonder if Macka Diamond and Amari related. You know what? Me not hold up no It's Clash anymore. Let's continue watching.
Which man own you? Which man own you, girl? I'ma tell you about John now. You know what I hear about John now? Eh? I'ma tell you what I'm to John. Listen, me take back me cap cause he good like that. He clean and pretty and he suit my nash. If you don't like that, then chat to me back. But what's up here that the sunshine from? Me man did a file and a tap me on the back. Move you. Me man did a call and no stop me back. Me make sure send me take it back to the dock. Result come back and everything back. Like Georgina, me right pan that. Listen this. Y'all, me never seen a man who won you yet. Macka, president say you was a mess. Macka, General B say you break. So, how you feel think about if the man left? Me take body cat and he good left. So, listen.
Low idiot girl. Listen Jamworld. Predator don't get me pussy I'm mad. Cocky in a pussy yes. Galang bad but sir. Your situation sad. John I want you all when you give blow top.
Listen this. Shut your mouth. What she say? She know about me pussy?
Me not
Let me tell you about this pussy and girl. I'm not fuck girl.
What?
You see that pussy? Me have a pussy and grab me up. That's why me ex-man up me up. Enough girl want stop me up. But me not be no bitch come.
Whatever.
How waste your time?
Yes.
How waste your time?
No business.
How waste your time all demon. Macka demon. Come off of me stage.
Me no business. Well, take me off. Me no business.
Come off of me stage.
Me die trying.
Come off of me stage.
I want some girl. Yeah, die
Yes, you should forget our lyrics
I
there.
want some girl.
They write lyrics here, I should remember. Me used to write lyrics here when she clash with Queen Bala. I should remember them.
You can't write lyrics either.
Yeah.
You can't write lyrics to me.
Hey, girl.
How are you doing?
Move there, how she chat so much? Me want to ask her something. Bitch, you swallow Zipper Irie FM. Oh, you chat so much, you want sunshine, my friend? Me think I say, oh, no love boys to men, and no big bad cover till you two angle men. Suck out your mouth! Suck out your mouth, you idiot! I waste your time, that.
Yeah,
Me not give her nothing more, idiot! Shut up, idiot! Take her off on the stage!
Take her fool. Eh?
That's your idiot now!
You come talk about man. Me not really response.
You know what they
I'm
are
trying.
True, me no suck pussy, them a carry feelings. Me no pussy, them a carry feelings. That's a tough pussy girl that was she dealing. Me none of them girl, listen to this. From me, listen, me want to hear about this sodomite.
Yeah,
From me sexually active and straight body, but some girl in the business, hate body. Not for them breed for man, but them a real body. So them have other girl and give them fake body. We say they have a... What's up out your mouth? Again, Macka, what's up out your mouth?
What's up out your mouth too? Dirty stinking girl. listen me, girl. Oh, look good. Who responds? The coward come out. The coward come out. Me not really response. The coward come out. That's all no one knows. So the coward come out. Where? Where you say somebody dead? Where you say somebody dead? I'm just the referee.
I agree with that comment that said Macka should have stopped doing music after this night. Macka forget her lyrics. Macka not have no lyrics on top of not remembering the little lyrics that she have. Lady Saw annihilated her. Oh, this is a message Mr. Late night. Lady Saw destroy her. I can't recall Ninja Man destroying somebody like how Lady Saw destroy Macka Diamond. Macka Diamond. Before me come off of this, let me just jump back in the comment section there. Somebody said Macka really look like an idiot. Oh my gosh. The drummers also hyping up the situation. Well, they did a good job. God did have to call Lady Saw Mama Saw. Saw as a real warrior. Me feel bad for Macka, nah lie. Me not feel bad for Macka. Lady Saw violent man. Thank God she gone to God. Lady Saw is the original bold dancehall queen. One dancehall queen. No, two. Lady Saw make her lyrics pan spot. A Ninja Man sister man. She always and will be the best that ever do it. Yep. Lady Saw was the best in Clash. Yep. Lady Saw was a beast. That girl ain't easy. I miss her bad from dancehall. Anyways, this is me I cut it tonight, you know. Hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe, click the notification bell. Tell me which part of this clash is your favorite part of this clash. And I don't remember what else, you know. But anyways, stay safe. God bless.